Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope that you all are having a great week. Well, this is your English teacher Ms. Javeria with another interesting English lesson today. My dear students, today we are going to study a pronoun that is very useful. The things that is all around us, we can use this pronoun with those things. The pronoun is it. Here we are starting our new unit, which is unit number 4, checkup time. Page number 22, exercise C. In this exercise, some pictures are there. You can open up your books, this page, this unit, and you can see those pictures in your books. I have drawn these pictures for you here. For these pictures, we are going to write some question and answers by using the pronoun it. For example, the first question which I am going to make for this picture is, what is this? You can write the answer as it is a van. Now here you can see that in the answer of this question we have used this pronoun it. What is this? It is a van. Now let's move towards the next question. For this picture, what is this? It is a ball. As you can see that the pictures are here, so I have written the answer for this picture. It is a ball. Now let's move towards the next picture and the next question, which is question number 3. What is this? This picture, what is this? It is a hen. So by answering all these questions, you are understanding that the things that are around us, we can use this pronoun it for those things. Now let's move towards the next picture. Question number 4. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? The answer is very simple. It is a book. Now for the last picture here, a cat is drawn here. The question number 5 is, what is this? The answer is, it is a cat. Now let's repeat all these questions and answers with me according to these pictures. The first picture was this man. What is this? It is a van. What is this? It is a ball. What is this? It is a hen. What is this? It is a book. And the last answer is, it is a cat. Now you have understood that the things that are around us, and when we use them in the sentences and we want to use a pronoun instead of a noun, so we can use this pronoun it with those things. Kids, now let's move towards another exercise, which is exercise D on page number 23. In this exercise, we have some letters that we have to use to complete some words according to these pictures. The letters which are given here are ER, Y, EANG. You have to use these letters to complete these words according to these pictures. When you open this page, you will see these pictures in your book. The first picture drawn here is, these are flowers, and here is a dash given. We have to fill this blank with the given letters. What we are going to write? The spelling for the word flowers are FLOW, and then you have to add these two letters here, which are ER. Now the word is complete, flowers. Let's move towards the next pictures. This picture is of beans. The spelling given here is B blank N S. You have to add this EA here to complete this word, beans. Now for the next picture, a teddy is here. The spelling for this word is TEDD, and then a blank is given. What you have to add to complete this word? You have to add this Y over here, a teddy. And now the last picture is of, there is a woman. she is eating something, and the sentence here is she is E-A-T-I, and you have to add these two letters N-G to complete this word. Now let's repeat these letters and words with me. The letters are E-R-Y-E-A-N-G. And the words which you have just made with the help of these letters are flowers, beans, a teddy, and the word eating. She is eating. What she is eating? She is eating a cake, a slice of cake. Now let's move towards the next exercise. Alright kids, now let's move towards another exercise, which is exercise E on page number 23. In this exercise, a picture is given. It is a monster. In the first exercise, if you remember that we studied about a pronoun it, in this exercise, this pronoun is repeated along with some words which are given in this box. The words here are sitting, wearing, reading, and drinking. Repeat these words with me with the spelling S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Wearing, W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G. And the last one is drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Now what you have to do, you have to look at this picture carefully, and then you have to look at these words. You have to choose the words, and then you have to complete these incomplete sentences with these words. Now look at the picture. The first sentence given here is, first we will complete the example. The monster is, then a blank, a book. What is this monster doing? This monster is reading a book. So we will write here, reading, like this. The monster is reading a book. Now let's move towards the next sentence. It is blank, a cup of tea. What is this monster doing? It is drinking a cup of tea. Then we will write this word right here, drinking. Now as you can see that this exercise is very easy, because along with these sentences a picture is given. You can see the picture, you can choose the words out from here, and then you can fill the blank spaces here to complete the sentences. Let's move towards the next sentence. It is blank on a ball. What is it on a ball? This monster is sitting on this ball. So we will write this sitting word right here to complete this sentence. And the last one is, it is blank trousers. What is it? It is wearing these trousers. So we are writing this word wearing right here. Now let's repeat these words and sentences with me. The first one is, it is drinking a cup of tea. Drinking, D-R-I-N-K-I-G. The next sentence is, it is sitting on a ball. Sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G. And the last one is, it is wearing trousers. W-E-A-R-I-N-G. My dear students, in this exercise, we have repeated the pronoun it. Then we have used some words here, some ing words, wearing, sitting, reading, drinking. These all are ing words. The sound of these words is ing sound. And then we have completed these incomplete sentences by looking at this picture of the monster. So my dear kids, you have to do all these three exercises in your copy very neatly. I hope that you have enjoyed our today's lesson. I will catch you inshallah next week with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.